What's up? Today we're going on a trip to Naperville, Illinois. That's right. And as you can see here behind me, it is spring here in Chicago. The leaves are back. Now is the time. If you are thinking about making that move to Naperville or anywhere in Chicago, now is the time to do it. But today we're on our way to Naperville, Illinois. We're going to go check out the Naperville Polo Club and see what they got cooking over there. So let's go. If this is your first time on this channel, you want to know everything there is to know about living in Chicago and the neighboring suburbs, just subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market in Chicago. Hey, what's up? It's Marlon here with my team, and we get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you every single day looking to make that move to Chicago, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days or you're moving in 90 days, please don't hesitate. Give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email so we can help you make a smooth move to Chicago. Let's go see what's up in Naperville. All right, so I just got done talking to the builders, and great news here at the Naperville Polo Club here in Naperville, right there by Plainfield as well, off the 59. They are just starting construction here. So this is the prime time to go ahead and get you one of these new construction homes. Build time 7 to 9 months, they said. So right now, the perfect time to get it so it can be done before the end of the year is over. That's gonna be great here. So they are in phase 1 here. They have 3 different series here over here at the Naperville Polo Club. They're gonna have the spring series. Then they're also gonna have the 2 popular estate and the meadow series homes here. So we're gonna check out some of these models today. The first one we're gonna check out is gonna be the Nelson model, part of the spring series here. So we're gonna go check that one out right now. And then also I wanna mention too, that with these new homes that they are building here, they're going to come with a 10-year structural warranty. So that's going to be really great. It's going to have, that's going to give you some peace of mind when it is done being constructed. That's going to give you some peace of mind because you're going to know for 10 years, you're going to have a structural warranty on that home. So that's going to be great. But come on, let's go check out these homes. All right, so that was the Nelson model. Pretty nice in there. You know, that was a part of the spring series here. So that is something that is different. Now with these spring series homes here, this one was called the Nelson model. These homes do not have basements. So that's gonna be something that's gonna be a little different from the Meadow series and the Estate series. Both of those series of model homes, those homes are gonna come with basements, okay? But these spring series homes here at the Naperville Polo Club are not gonna have basements. So just keep that in mind. But this one's going to be starting at $446,000. It's going to be your base price. Remember, you got to add your lot, got to add your upgrades as well. So, you know, that's going to maybe, you know, come in later around $700,000 or $600,000. Okay, you're looking at it in the end. All right, you're going to get around 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3 bathrooms as well, and a 2-car garage. All right, so that's what you're going to get here in the spring series here for the Nelson model. Okay, so that's going to be really great. But now we're about to go check out the next one. Let's go. All right, so we're here at the Rybrook model for, you know, the spring series as well. So this one's going to be starting at around $464,000 for your base price. And this model home is going to be a little bit bigger than the Nelson model. The Nelson model was only around 2,100 to 2,200 square feet. This one's going to be around 2,300 to 2,500 square feet as well. So we're about to go check out the Rybrook right now. Let's go. All right, so that was the beautiful Rybrook model here at Pulte Homes here at the Naperville Polo Club. Really nice inside, right? So again, these are gonna be the homes with no basements, but you know, this home is actually, the Rybrook model is actually gonna have a kind of like a loft area up top there that you can go outside and get some sun off. So that's gonna be really nice about this model. But it's gonna be starting at $464,000. for the base price. All right, and remember, you got to add your lot and you got to add your upgrades as well. But this is definitely a great starter home, especially for maybe someone, you know, first time buying their home or something like that. You're a first time home buyer. This could be a great starter home for you. And especially if you're, you know, first time maybe, you know, building your home, this could definitely be a great model for you to start from. And some of these floor plans that they have up to 16 different floor plans here. So that's going to be really nice. You can get to customize these homes the way that you see, you know, fit for you and your family. All right, so don't just think these models are just, you know, set and you have to, you know, have them this certain way. No, you can customize them a little bit, make them, you know, how you want them to look, because again, you're building your own home, so build it according to your dreams. But all right, we're gonna go to the next model right now. Let's go.